Hey everyone, it's Fiona from Stamping with Fiona here, and I've just got a very quick card to share with you tonight. I know it's a better time to do it, but I am absolutely exhausted. So after the slight debacle on Monday, I thought I would just keep it really simple. So tonight I wanted to share another card kit with you. I love this one. I have a bit of a family of sailors, so it's kind of close to home. But this is the You Are My Anchor card kit. So I'll just show you quickly what comes with it. So you get your instructions. It shows you everything that's included in the kit, and I just want to make sure I'm the right way round because I was the wrong way around today. Yep, that's fine. Okay, so this shows you everything you get. So you get a small stamp set, some twine, you get a block, which is great, you get an ink spot in Pacific Point, some small envelopes, I think they're 3x3 cards, and also some boxes to package them up. And you get some die cuts, some labels, and you even get some glue dots. I personally struggle with these, so I prefer to use my own. I'll just quickly show you how the little box goes together. They've already put the adhesive on for you. I'm not actually going to peel that off, but it just folds up really simply, she says, and goes in the cover. And your cards and envelopes, I think they must be 3x3, will fit in there. And then you just decorate it and give them as little gifts. So obviously if you take the strip off the adhesive, that would be easier, but I don't want to do that at the moment. And then it just goes in the little cover, and you decorate with your stamps or labels or twine or whatever. How cute's that? The other thing you can do with the envelopes as an alternate project, which I probably will do at some stage but not tonight, is you can make them into little mini albums. So the way to do that is to you put your, do it the other way around, you'll put your envelopes into each one, and then you decorate it, and you would make a cover, and there you have a little album. So again, how cute is that? But what I wanted to do today is I've actually made a card using what will be leftovers, because you get tons of stuff in here. So I did it note card size to start with. That's a Sahara Sand, Night of Navy, stamped in Pacific Point, and then that's a die cut and that's a stamp. So I've got everything ready to do it on a slightly bigger card, and this is going to be normal card base, so it's 21 by 14.8, scored in half, so 10.5. And I've also already cut my Sahara Sand down, so that is 10. It's not quite square. I think I did it possibly something like 10 by 11, but the instructions will be on my blog later, so if you wanted to have a go. Just checking on camera. I really like tone on tone at the moment. There I've got a piece of Night of Navy, which is 6.5 by 9.5, and a piece of basic white, which is 9 by 6, so just half a centimetre smaller. And I'm going to use the stamp set that comes with the kit, and it's a beautiful block actually, really lovely. I won't open that ink because I might gift that to somebody, so I'll just use my own Night of Navy, and I'm going to stamp the lighthouse. Now last time I used the saying you're a lifesaver, but I don't actually have anybody I need to say that to at the moment, so I'll choose a different one. Let's get that good cover. Oh, managed to get some on myself. Not a good idea. See what I mean about doing it this late at night? I'm just so tired. I'm making all sorts of mistakes. Still, I had a bit of a laugh on Monday with the debacle of the shaker card. Okay, so I'm just going to... still haven't got all the ink on there. There we go. That's, no, it's not picking it up for some reason. That's perfect. Okay, so that's the Your Life the lighthouse, and I want one of these life belts. Just pop the middle out, and I'll put that on with dimensionals. Just using the little dimensionals. I did try the big ones, but they stick out a bit and saves having to cut them up. So okay, let's just pop that on, and then I'll have a look and see what the sayings are. And then I just need a bit of twine, and as you can see, it's that simple. I will make the rest of the kit up and post it on my blog and show it to you. There we go. So that's cool. Right, now the sayings. So you are my anchor. Congratulations, you're a lifesaver. Adventure awaits. Thanks, for you, and ahoy. So I think I will just say for you, actually. Let's just quickly clean the lighthouse with my chamois, which is I don't know who designed it, but it's amazing. It gets the ink off really, really easily. Okay, let's get that off, and I'm just going to put that on right on the edge. Okay, and I think that's Poppy Parade, so I might actually stamp that in. No, I do, should do Balmy Blue maybe? Yeah, let's do Balmy Blue. I did Pacific Point last time, but it's still a bit bright, so. For you. There we go. So far, I know I had the card cut and the paper cut, but they would only have taken a couple of minutes to do. I think we're under 5 minutes at the moment, so it is a really quick and easy card to do with leftovers. I am doing a series on kits, in case you're wondering, because I have got quite a lot. I've just had a couple more arrive today, which I haven't even looked at yet, so I might do an unboxing on Friday with that. That's now going to go on to my Night of Navy. So just have a little frame around it, which is what the 1/2 centimetre is for. There we go. And I did put some twine. Just around now. I don't know if you can see, I'm going to show you a trick in a minute when I've cut my twine. So if you can see, my twine has been folded on a bit of card and it's got kinks in it, and a great way to straighten it is to take your bone folder and just hold it at one end and run it along. And it straightens it, so it's got rid of all those kinks. Okay, now I didn't measure this, I've probably cut it too long, but I'm forever cutting things too short, so I thought it better safe than sorry. And I want the bow to be about where the paper finishes, at the top of the card. But seeing as we're on camera, it might end up being a knot. Try and do it in a bow first. Yay! I think I just about managed that. Not quite. It's come right through. One more try. If not, it'll be a knot. No, do you know what? More fingers and thumbs, so it's going to be a knot. Can't even do a knot now. What I really need is a glue dot there. I'll just cut a bit of that off. And layer that on the top. Okay, if you'd like to purchase this kit from me, you can do so through my shop at www.stampingwithfiona.com and just click on my shop. I do have a tutorial with this and some other alternatives. I think there's 4 in total, which if you purchase the kit from me, you will get free. And also, if you go to my blog, I'd love you to sign up for my newsletter and you'll get details of my monthly card kit. So there you go. That's the small version, that's the larger version. I think I prefer the smaller one actually, but they're just great, and as you saw, really quick and easy, and using the product from the card kit. So thanks very much for joining me, and I'll be back again on Friday. Thanks, bye.